So as you can see, this car started up this morning, the typical flashing everything, and we are going to try something real quick. So what I've heard some people doing is to heat up the back of the alternator. You'll see the plug right there, just for a quick reference, to go down from the engine in the front down to the plug right there next to that bolt. If you heat that up, what I've heard is that there are a couple of diodes in there that detect the ambient temperature in the air and send out a charge accordingly. And because it's colder, it actually has to send out a hotter charge to compensate. And so we're going to try heating that up today to see if it gets rid of our blinky problem with a hairdryer. So let's see what happens. As you can see, I've just set the hairdryer on its hottest setting right down onto the alternator, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so we just heated up the alternator. Let's see what happens. Haven't done anything to it until just now. Well, let's see what happens. Actually appears that everything is working normally. I'll be darned. Okay, well, let's build on this. I'm gonna try to replace the alternator with an OEM alternator, just to get a confirmation of whether or not it is in fact a problem with the remanufacturers, and hopefully maybe we can get down to the bottom of this for people. YouTube, I have replaced that remanufactured alternator that I got at O'Reilly's with an OEM that I picked up at a junkyard. Things are working well now, no flashing problems. I've moved recently, so I wasn't able to do the completed video of the update and everything, but doing it now. You know, as you see, everything's running well. So with that in mind, if you need to get your warranty service on any of your alternators and they're just not working the way that you needed them to do, then you can stick that alternator in the freezer and have it in a cold bag when you bring it in, and it'll test and fail negatively because obviously it has those issues. So, all right, well, there we go.